Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Headlight 2016 Jeep Cherokee passenger side. Begin by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and parking on level ground. Remove the plastic fasteners around the wheel well to access the headlight housing. Keep a small tray for screws and note each fastener position. Handle bulbs by the base, not the glass, to avoid oils reducing lifespan. Reconnect battery only after testing the new bulb for proper alignment and function. Use the steering trick to gain more room in the passenger wheel well so you can reach the headlight housing bolts without strain. Carefully pry out the plastic clips and set them aside in an ordered manner for reinstallation. Fold the liner back slowly to expose the top and rear of the headlight assembly. Keep fingers clear of sharp edges and use gloves to protect hands while loosening the mounting bolts and wiring harness. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so you catch more car repair tips and tricks. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long garage days or road trips. I find them durable, comfy, and they keep my feet happy while I wrench. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If replacing the bulb, remove the socket by twisting counterclockwise, then pull the old bulb straight out and insert the new one by the base only. For full assembly swaps, remove the 3 mounting bolts and gently lower the housing while feeding out the connector. Reconnect the wiring connector and briefly reconnect the battery to test the headlight operation and aim. Once confirmed, secure all bolts, reinstall the liner and clips, then close up carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.